Hi everybody, we're demonstrating this beautiful little Lee double motion agitated kettle with the tilt out agitator for you today. It has an internal temperature probe, flush seating valve. We are including the spare plug for this as well. If you choose not to use that, just plug it. We also have a rebuilding kit for the cylinder, which we've already rebuilt, and you've probably seen the video testing that as well. Shop did a nice little paint job on the motor. Actually, I don't know if you can see it from here, but we show it in one of the videos. You'll actually see in the pictures as well. We made a small scraper which rides dead center over the top of the discharge ball for the flush seating valve. Helps scraping material sits right at that bottom lip right there. Kettle is 316 stainless steel. Probably can't read that. Control for your tilt. We'll get ready to ship this for you today. And we do thank you for your business. Thank you for joining us for this video.